This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Debbie Yankee. Wonderful home with a 3-car garage. 2 spaces on the main level and 1 large 650 square foot garage/workshop in the lower level. This home sits in a cul-de-sac on a level lot overlooking a peaceful pond. This family has worked hard to make some upgrades that you won't need to. New carpet and paint throughout. Large kitchen with a breakfast room has hardwood floors, and a formal dining room. The main level also has a family room with a wood-burning fireplace, a guest bedroom and a full bath. Owner's suite and bedrooms 3 and 4 are upstairs. HVAC is approximately 5 years old. Gutters about 4 years old. New toilets too. Ready for quick occupancy. For more information, review the details below or contact Debbie Yankee at 865-966-1111.